everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. Now in this video, we will learn about the last biomolecule, that is the enzyme. So we will learn about what is the introduction to the enzymes. The learning objectives will be to define the enzymes and realize their importance in biological system, and also to study about the discovery of enzymes. Now, have you ever eaten a big piece of cake and realize that after few hours only you are hungry again? Why? Why is this happening? Have you ever thought about it? That how come that big piece of cake got digested so soon? Let me explain you. So the cells inside our body, or for that matter in any living organism's body, are like little chemical factories. There are thousands of metabolic reactions like respiration, digestion, photosynthesis in case of plants happening inside them. And they are happening at such a fast pace that we don't even realize that these reactions are happening in our body. How come these reactions are happening so fast? So if left on their own, they would be really slow reactions, moving at a snail's pace. But they are fast because of the enzymes. So enzymes are the one which are responsible for increasing speed of any reaction trillions of times. So let us see what are these enzymes. So enzymes, the definition of enzymes is that enzymes are biological catalysts, mostly protein in nature, which increase the rate of metabolic reaction. So they increase the speed of a reaction in the living organisms under specific temperature and specific pH. So let us understand biological catalysts. Why biological? Obviously, because they are found inside the living organisms. But catalyst, what is a catalyst? So in chemical terms, catalyst is any chemical compound which increases the speed of a reaction. So it increases the rate of a chemical reaction by converting reactants into products very fast, but without themselves being consumed or altered in the reaction. So they do not actually participate in the reaction, they simply aid the reaction. So in nature, like biological, in biological bodies, living bodies, it does not happen like a laboratory. In laboratory, you can adjust the temperature, adjust the pH and bring about a reaction by mixing exotic reactants and getting exotic products. But in body, we have a specific temperature, we have a specific pace, and there is a fixed amount of reactants available to us. So these have to be utilized and the speed has to be matched according to the need of the body. So we are doing so many activities, still not getting so tired. Why? The reason is because these reactivities are happening very fast because of the biological catalyst, that is the enzymes. Now let us see the similarities and differences between the enzymes and catalysts. So enzyme, first similarities. Now both enzymes as well as catalysts are required in very less amount, which is called a micro amount. Both of them remain unchanged in a reaction, qualitatively as well as quantitatively, means their quantity is also not affected and their shape and structure is also not affected. Also, both of them do not initiate a reaction, like the reaction is not started by them. They are simply helping in bringing about the reaction fast. How? By lowering the activation energy. So this ways both of them are similar. Now see how they are different. So enzymes are complex proteins, but catalysts are inorganic molecules. So enzymes, since they are proteins, their structure is very important and the structure is affected by temperature and pH. But this is not the case for catalysts. Also, enzymes are biological in origin, so they catalyze biological reactions, whereas catalysts, they catalyze chemical reactions happening in the laboratories. Now let us see about the history of enzymes. So around 17th to 18th century, the scientists were working in studying the metabolic reactions and finding how these reactions are happening so fast. So Louis Pasteur was the scientist who was studying the process of wine fermentation, and he found out that there was some vital force inside the yeast which was bringing about the fermentation. He called it ferments. Now these ferments in 1833 were studied again by a French chemist Anselme Payen, and he found out about an enzyme diastase, but still the term enzyme was not used. It was in 1878 that Kuhne first reported the presence of enzyme, and the term enzyme was also given by Kuhne, which means N means in and zyma means yeast. So something found inside the yeast was enzyme. Now the first enzyme was isolated by Edward Buckner in the year 1897. So it was Edward Buckner who first took out enzyme from cells of the yeast, and he also received Nobel Prize for the same. Zymase was the first discovered enzyme. The first purified and crystallized enzyme was urease. It was done by J.B. Sumner from jack beans, that is the lobia. And also the proteinaceous nature of enzymes, that enzymes are protein in nature. It was found out by Northrop and Sumner. Now let us see what is the importance of enzyme. Now I've been speaking again and again that enzymes are important, but why are they important? I have discussed the reason also. Because the metabolic reactions inside the body like respiration and digestion if happen on their own, they would be very, very slow. It is because of the enzymes that they are happening at a very fast speed. And also all the metabolic reactions in the body occur at a specific temperature and pH, which is brought about by enzymes which are protein in nature. Have a look at this reaction. Now this is a simple respiration reaction in which carbon dioxide and water is combining to form carbonic acid. Now if there is no enzyme present, you will see that only 200 molecules are formed per hour. But if there is an enzyme, carbonic anhydrase enzyme present, then around 60,000 molecules are formed. So it is more than 10,000 times the speed of the reaction is increased when enzyme is present, and that is how we breathe in and breathe out so fast, and the respiration is happening so fast in us. So to summarize, we can say enzymes are biological catalysts which increase the speed of metabolic reactions at specific temperature and pH. Just like chemical catalysts, they accelerate but do not participate quantitatively as well as qualitatively. They are not used up in a reaction. Now they are proteins with a catalytic power. They were first isolated by Edward Buckner, and the term enzyme was given by W. Kuhne. And the enzymes are very important because the metabolic reactions on their own will be slow. And to meet the energy needs of the body, we need to have faster reactions. And also the reactions should happen at a specific temperature and pH. So this was all about introduction to enzymes. Now we will see how the enzyme structure is unfolding and what are the characteristics of enzymes in next video. Till then, thank you very much.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.